Hey y'all, it's Mary and I'm filming this on the evening of October 1st. You're going to see this on October 2nd, hopefully, and I'm getting my September Birchbox. The funny thing is today, October 1st, we customized for the October box. We customize on the 1st of the month and we usually get it around the 20th or 25th, I'm thinking. But this sat and sat. And also Tea Time Adventures gets this box. I'm not sure when she'll post her video, but I did talk back and forth with her about it. Both of our boxes just sat and sat and sat. And I did email Birchbox to see what might have been going on. And they just said, you know, they look into it, and then all of a sudden it started moving. So here it is, October 1st. Okay, this is popped. Look how popped it is. It's stuffed. So this box is $25 a month, and that includes your shipping. And when you open it, it looks like this, okay? If you are seeing black, I am still taped up, so sorry about that. It does pop through sometimes. But my arm is getting much better. My shoulder, my arm is getting much better. So how this works is you get we get to customize everything in this box. It's $25. That does include the shipping, and that's if you buy it by the month. You can buy it by the year and save money. I'm not sure if they do 3 months and 6 months, but I do have a link below. You can sign up under me, and I think you get a discount. And they do usually put a brochure in here. It doesn't say the month on it or anything, but it just shows you some things about you know, how to make your lips fuller looking. It shows you some of the items in the box that were extra special. The Kosas Lippy, I didn't choose it because it's way too light of a color. It's a good everyday color, but I have too many of those. So let me tell you how this works. So when you go to customize, you have 3 categories. And the first category, I think last time it changes, because I think last time we picked 2. This time, category 1, pick 1. So what we had to choose from was the brand Smood, S-M-O-O-D, a moisturizer. There also was a cleanser. There was the Kosas Lip Shine, but that really light pink is not for me. There was Georgette Klinger Eye Cream, which is really nice. There was the brand Phyla wash-off mask, and that looked like it had several in the box. There was Vasanti Face Rejuvenator, Blue. Go, keep going. And then also, there also was what I chose. And you also, in every category, you can say surprise me if you don't want to know. There was this, and everything in the first category, I believe, was full size. So this, now here comes Camille, y'all. She hasn't been up in a while, so this is the brand Salt and Stone. This is a bougie brand. It's an expensive brand. This is a $32 value. This is a body lotion, and it came in 3 different scents. And I got the bergamot and hinokai. One was a rose and oud, and I don't remember what the third one was. But I didn't know what they smelled like, so I just did the best I could. But I like this brand. I've had this brand before in like a shower gel. So this in a body lotion, I thought, well, I'll try it. I don't know that I've ever had it in a body lotion. I think just in a shower gel. So this is it. It is, it's not real huge. Let's see if it tells me. It's 7 ounces. Okay. It's a nice bottle. It's a non-slip kind of bottle. So that's nice. You know, if you're getting out of the shower, it's not going to fall right out of your hands. Let's see what it smells like. Whoops. If I can get it open. Yeah, it's tight, but let's see. Oh, it's very nice. I smell the bergamot. Bergamot is orange, an orange oil. It's very mild, which I like. I don't like things too strong. So that is nice. I'm happy to get that. I'll probably start using that pretty quickly. So there's the box for that. And it does come nicely packaged, but they shoved it in that box, so it's smashed up a little bit. But that's what they do. Okay, choice number 2. We got to choose 2 things this time. There was the Beauty Crop Espresso eyeshadow palette. There was a brand James Reed. There was a sleep mask. It was a tanning sleep mask. There was Absolute New York Blush Stick, which was full size. Bella Pierre High, it was a highlighter and blush duo, double-ended. That was full size. Some of these items are full size and some of these items are deluxe samples. There was Bella Pierre, also a lip oil. There were 3 different colors of lip oils. Dr. Brandt serum, that was a deluxe sample. Evolue erase powder, that said it was a sample. There was Daily Concepts body scrubber and also a Kojak sponge, and they've been offering that a while now. Then there were the 2 items that I got, and I got this. This is the Oribe Texturizer Spray. It did say that it was a full size of $23 value, 6 ounces, but this is 1 ounce. I've had this before and I really like this. So it's a dry texturizing spray. This is great to travel with, except it is an aerosol, so I think you have to put it in your suitcase and not your carry-on, I think. But I've used it before. It sprays, and it'll give you some volume. Texturizing, I've told you all about that before. If you didn't know that already, it's catching the lights there. So I'm happy to have that for travel, but I'm almost positive it told me that it was 6 ounces. Let's see, I don't know. I think it's a communication issue because Birchbox used to be in the States, and they've moved overseas. So next up, I got this. This is considered a full size, even though this palette comes in 2 different sizes of the same palette. One has 6 colors and one has 8, I think. And I've had both of them in the past. I don't know if I still have them. I think I have one of them. But this is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape. I think I have the larger one of this. This has a $25 value. And it's very pretty. You'll see when I get it open. It's sealed shut with tape, which is nice. Hopefully it's in good shape because it wasn't packaged very well. It's a cardboard. It's very pretty. The C on it. And oh good, it's in good shape. Yeah, I have this in a bigger size and it's really beautiful. I will say it's beautiful. It has a very nice color saver that was stuck to it. So this has they might all be, this Sand Dollar, I'm not sure if that's a shimmer. I don't think so. But all these others are shimmers. They're very beautiful shimmers. Very pretty palettes. And considered full size. Even though there's one that's a little bit bigger. So some things are just like that. They just have it that way. So that was very nice. And then in category 3 this time, we got to choose 3 items. And again, in category 2, if you wanted them to choose for you, you would just pick, choose for me, you pick that twice. And the same for this category. If you want them to pick for you, you would pick for me 3 times. Or you could pick 2 items and choose 1 pick for me, that kind of thing. I think, though, I did that one time where I let them pick for me and they gave me something from the category. It wasn't something different. So I thought, well, I'll just pick from now on. So in category 3, there was Comfort Zone brand moisturizer and also a mask. There was Christoph Robin, a hair scrub. These are deluxe samples, this section. One Kind Night Cream, deluxe sample, which I think I got last month. R&Co, there was a prep spray. Vitamasks brand, a jelly toner. Sunday Riley, Good Jeans. Now that was just a sachet, just a little foil package. Marcel. Now I personally don't like I'm not ever going to pick a foil pack like that, a sachet, unless, I love Sunday Riley. If you had never tried the Good Jeans, you may want to, well, I really want to try it. So it's worth it to get it. Then you'll know if you like it, There was Marcel brand mask. There were 2 different masks to pick from. It was a tube. So it was, probably a wash-off mask. There was the brand Chlorine, a detox shampoo. There was a number 4 brand smoothing balm. Daily Concepts. There was the scrubber, which was in the earlier category, the body scrubber, and also instead of the konjac sponge, there was a soap sponge, which I've had before. It's a sponge and it's small, it's a square, and it's like a bar of soap, but it's embedded in a sponge. And there was Mind Tan brand milk, so a tanning milk. Polar brand elixir. Polar brand's a really good skincare brand. This was a little tiny elixir. And Kiaishi brand hair mask. And then the three things that I chose, one of them is this. I just try to choose some different things sometimes. This is a shampoo bar. I don't know if I'll ever use a shampoo bar because I just have so much shampoo. But this is Green Frog brand Botanic. Argan oil and rose oil, 96% natural ingredients. Oh, it smells good. It smells like rose. And it's like a paper package, and there is, maybe you can see, that's the size of the soap bar. It's small, so it's a sample size. It is 23 grams, it says. So I might put that in a future giveaway because I don't know that I'll ever use it, y'all. And then I think this is the third time I got this, y'all. But I like to have these for giveaways for y'all. This is the Birchbox, their own brand. It's a jade roller. So it is full size because it is a jade roller. I have this in my little, I don't see it over there. Well, I don't see it over there, but I use it. And so this is what it is. It has a nice jade handle and the jade roller. I won't touch that part. I'm going to put it right back in. I have been receiving these and putting them in giveaways, so you may get one. I usually always in my giveaways, I put some sheet masks, so this is nice to have, and it's packaged nicely. And then my third choice is this, and this is by the brand Manicadar. These were some powders, a duo of powders. So I think it's a bronzer and a blush, if I remember correctly. Let's see, it says, they both say step 3 on them. Step 3 perfect. So they are shrink wrapped, y'all. This is trifecta, and that looks like a bronzer or a contour, you know. And then this is the blush, and it's Paradise. This is gorgeous, this blush. I don't use contours and bronzers. I don't use them. This is gorgeous. I have too many blushes open, but I'll put this in a giveaway probably and put them together in a giveaway. So they're sample size. You know, they're not full size, but they're nice. And that was nice. That came with a little bit of bubble wrap, which was nice. So nothing is broke. I'm surprised the way the box looked that nothing is broke. So this was I think this is definitely worth $25. We have the jade roller, the shampoo bar, and the 2 Manicadar makeup items. And then we have the Oribe Oribe, I don't know how to say that, O-R-I-B-E, dry texturizing spray, which I like because I've had it before and used it. The beautiful Beauty Wanderous Seascape palette. The Salt and Stone, which I'm anxious to try in the body lotion. I love this packaging, y'all, because this is, even though it's plastic, it is non-slip. I don't know if you can see, it's just not shiny. It's shiny up here, but not here. So it doesn't slip out of your hands. This is a nice. Okay, what else did we get? Is that it? I thought we got more than that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it. Six items. I think 6 items was really nice. I think it's well worth the $25. The body lotion itself is $32, so that pays for the box. Although, y'all, would I buy this at the store for $32? I wouldn't be able to afford it. Something this size, you know, I couldn't pay $32 for it. But Salt and Stone is a very nice brand. So that's what I got in my Birchbox. And I'll tag T below. She's been doing a lot of overtime at her job, so she may not get her video out right away, but she gets this as well. And you know, she often picks different things than me. So you may, you know, she may pick something the same, but she may not. So anyway, y'all go check her out also. And y'all, thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Good to see y'all. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye, y'all.